Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to log into Jetpay Payroll account. So if you also want to log into Jetpay Payroll account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in www.jetpayit.com. Press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Jetpay. Over here you'll be able to find several options. If you look at the top right corner, you'll be able to find several options right over here. Here you'll be able to find the option for login. All you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the login interface of Jetpay. Over here you'll have to provide your email address and password. Click on this box, provide your email address. Make sure to enter the correct email address. Now enter your password. Make sure to enter the correct password. If you have forgotten your password, click on the option forget password and after that you'll be able to reset it. After providing the email address and password, all you have to do is click on the login option that you can see right over here. After that you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log into Jetpay Payroll account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.